Kitty wants some?
That's it, dear. Let the aroma bloom.
It already smells wonderful, Grandma.
Just right.
Look, Grandma, it's melting.
Fresh from the oven, dear. The soup is ready, dear.
It smells wonderful, Grandma.
Go on, taste it.
It smells so good, Grandma.
They'll be ready soon. Our little friend is quite interested.
Grandma, this jam is delicious.
I'm glad you like it, dear. And Kitty likes it. He certainly does. He certainly is. What a sight. The vegetables are growing so well this year.
They look so happy, Grandma.
They do, my dear.
Grandma, look at the dew.
It is magical, dear.
I picked one.
Good girl. Gently now, Lina.
I will, Grandma.
You're doing wonderfully. Lina, watch how I wash them.
Can I come like this? Wow, Grandma, look at all these beautiful vegetables.
You did a wonderful job, my dear. Thank you.
Grandma, look at all these sweet potatoes.
Yes, dear, we'll make a lovely pie.
Yay, I can't wait. Grandmother, we're home.
Yes, dear. Let's set these down.
Grandmother, it's raining so hard.
It is, dear. The garden will be happy. The mint tea is ready, dear.
It smells wonderful, Grandmother.
Warm your hands first. Look, Lina, our sweet potatoes.
They're beautiful, Grandma.
All for you, my dear.
Wow. These are so muddy.
They'll be perfect once cleaned.
Almost done. Almost done, Grandma.
Take your time, dear. Perfect for the stew.
It smells so good, Grandmother.
It will be even better with these sweet potatoes.
And a corpse, dear. It smells so good, Grandmother.
It will be ready soon, dear.
These carrots and herbs will make it perfect.
That's right, dear. A wonderful addition. Stir slowly, dear. Let the sweet potatoes
It
soften.
smells wonderful, Grandma. Patience makes it sweet.
The stew is ready.
And the lantern is lit.
Perfect. Let's eat.
It looks so good.
Here you are, dear. Enjoy.
It smells wonderful, Grandma. And that's so good.